Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Ford Escape. First, gather your essential tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need about 5 quarts of new 5W20 motor oil and a fresh oil filter. Safety is paramount, so always use sturdy jack stands to support your vehicle securely before getting underneath. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now let's drain the old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 13mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it to collect the used oil. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old engine oil to flow out completely. This step can take several minutes, so be patient and ensure the pan is large enough. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter by turning it counterclockwise. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Then, securely reinstall the drain plug and hand tighten the new oil filter, giving it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Carefully pour in about 5 quarts of new 5W20 motor oil. Replace the cap, start the engine for 1 minute, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.